Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix missing power icon on Windows 10 taskbar. So guys, if power or battery icon is disappear, you are missing. So to resolve this problem, right click on taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. Now left click on system icons. Now to show power icons on this corner, just toggle to on. You need to toggle to on. So now you will able to see this battery and power icon. So you can realize how much percentage is remaining for your laptop. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.